Hey everybody, Vivian here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are. This is not a live session, but I'm recording live right now with Arjun here with me. Again, I'm Vivian Arana. We are starting a new channel together called as Calories to Code. I've been working in tech industry for last 20 years and been training quite a lot of students. Started also School of AI, but now I realized, why not hang out with a friend at the same time do some coding. Arjun here, he has I think 13 to 15 years of tech industry experience.
Yes.
I met him around almost I could say 10 years back when I was working at Delta Airlines. We were working
Yes.
together, and now we decided to start this channel called as Calories to Code because turns out we have been doing a lot of eating, right, Arjun? Lot of putting lot of calories, not counting our calories, but then at least since we code so much, we realized why not convert those calories to a code. So we started eating. I had some heavy meal right now, and now I just called up Arjun and said, let's do our first video on how to convert our calories to code. So for today, just to keep it simple, right, Arjun? Anything, any ideas
Mhm.
that you have for today?
I think let's try to track what we eat, right? Something around that. Let's.
No, no, okay, okay. Let me tell you, my wife always tells me you need to eat good food, and she
Hmm.
always asks me every day, "What do you want to have for lunch today? What do you want to have for dinner today? What are we having? What are you making for me? What am I making for you?" And it's always gets so confusing. So let's make a meal prep app
Okay.
and let's keep it simple. Let's not use any AI or anything. I mean, we'll use AI to build it, but let's do vibe coding. Everybody talks about vibe coding. So why not? Let's get into vibe coding and use some of our favorite tools to build a cool application. But just again, just let me give you introduction to what we do other than this. So I'm going to share my screen quickly and show you. So we run School of AI. I and Arjun, we are running School of AI. We have some certifications available. We do certification. We have 10 free certifications available that you can access through our website. Our website is schoolofaiglobal.com. Again, schoolofaiglobal.com. And we have 10 different certifications. Again, these are not traditional certifications. What we do is we teach you stuff like, for example, generative AI foundations. We'll teach you step by step every single thing, and then you don't have to give an exam. We hate the idea of learning something and then giving exams. At the end of the day, think about it. When you go for interviews, Arjun, when was the last time someone asked you your GPA?
Never.
Never,
No one
right?
asked. Yeah.
Nobody asks for your GPA. How much
Hmm.
did you score in your school, high school? Nobody looks at that. Nobody cares about that. Every time you go there, one thing they ask is, what's your experience? How much experience you have? What are the different certifications you have, right? So what we have done is for these certifications we have kept it in such a way that you will follow along, and then at the end of each session you will build real life projects and then upload them to GitHub, and then you send that GitHub URL to us, and we will certify you based on the projects that you've completed. You have either completed all the projects or not. No exams, nothing. So that's how we keep it simple and easy. Just create real projects and get certified. So that's what we have. All these different ones. AI for cybersecurity is pretty popular. We have some for product management, but I'm not going to talk about these much. And also talk about another thing. School of AI also has a lot of courses, almost 212 courses that we have created. Me and Arjun, we have created, and they're available on udemy.com. Again, not let's not talk about it. What are we creating today? We are
Meal
creating
planner.
a meal planner using only HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I have already created this prompt that we'll be using on our favorite tools right here. I'm going to go through this prompt in a second, but before that, what is the tool that I'm going to use?
Hmm.
For this particular session, we'll be using two different tools. Arjun, what is your favorite tool that you would want to use to do this?
I'm planning to use uh, cloud code. Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to use Claude Code, and
Hmm.
I will pick IBM Bob. I'm not sure if
Hmm.
you heard of it. This is a very new tool. I'll be using IBM Bob to build this entire website for us and see which one is prettier. And let us know
Yeah.
in comments which one you liked, IBM
Yes.
Bob or Claude Code. Both have its pros and cons. I would not decide one over another. I would not prefer one over another,
Mhm.
but I prefer Bob. And
Mhm.
Arjun uses Claude Code. Think of it, these tools are exercise machines where we will be going and burning our calories by not even typing. I already have the thing ready. So just to
Yeah.
go ahead, I have Bob downloaded. You can download IBM Bob if you don't know about it. Right here, it's your AI powered development partner. You can download it. There's a free trial. You get it for I think 40 Bob coins. When you download it, if you press download here, it will tell you that you'll get 40 Bob coins for 30 days. Try it out. Let me know how your experience is, or just look at what we are building here, and it will we can go from there. Again, both the tools, IBM Bob and Cloud Code, look similar. Just the difference is in the pricing. IBM Bob is cheaper. Cloud Code is a little bit more expensive. So I'm going to go here on the left side. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Usually it will, as soon as you install it, it will say sign in. It looks like Visual Studio Code. It has all your plugins available on the left side. So
Mhm.
yeah, you can import it just same as Cloud Code, I would say. And here on the left, I have options to give it auto approvals where I can let it read the files, write, browse. I don't have to approve every single time. Or else what will happen is as soon as I'll show you one real time. I'll remove this. I've created a folder called as calories to code. And in here, I'm going to copy this entire prompt. And Arjun will do the same thing, but afterwards. And he's going to share his
Yeah.
screen soon.
Mhm.
So I have this entire thing pasted here, the entire requirement that I have, and I'm going to run it. So now Bob will go ahead and try to look at make a plan for me. I have used an advanced mode. So there's different modes available. Uh, as Bob says that it's a complete SDLC software development lifecycle tool where you can from planning to coding to doing advanced architecture stuff, asking just questions or orchestration, or you can even go to settings and look at some more modes that are available in here. Right now, I cannot connect to VPN. That's why I can't see it. But you can also have bring your own MCP servers that are available, and it can access those. You can also do Bob findings. Bob findings is very interesting. What Bob does is it re-evaluates itself. It will generate stuff and then ask itself again, like, oh, did I do the right thing? And you can look at Bob findings here when they appear. And then
Mhm.
next are editor, chat, just settings, just basic settings. I'm going to close this. Go back here. What's happening here? Let's see. Create index.html file with all the sections, create a style.css. So it kind of created a plan for me of what all different items it needs to do. So you see, it says approve. So after I approve, it will go through that and it will go one step at a time. Then it says, okay, it did create a HTML file. What is the next step? Going to say, let me do the next step. Ask me to approve. So instead of
Uh,
doing that, what I'm going to do is,
just one thing,
yeah,
Vivin. Once you're done, just don't show your website. Then I will complete, and then we will display
okay,
that.
yep,
Let that be a surprise. Okay.
it's going to take some time, but let me show you here. What I'm going to do is
Mhm.
I'm going to set it to
Mhm.
auto approve to use all the different modes, execute, do
Mhm.
whatever you want to do. Never do
Mhm.
this on your machine because it might go and get things from open a browser and execute something or do things. So I let it do this thing. While it's doing this in the background, I'm going to go ahead and read through this thing.
Mhm.
Or actually, let's do this. Let me hand it over to Arjun first. And while
Mhm.
he gives the prompt, he's going to show Claude Code how it looks like if you have not seen it
Mhm.
before. He's going to go through the same steps that I did through IBM Bob.
Yeah.
And he will show us how he has done these steps. And then finally, we'll reveal the both the websites and see how they look like. So,
Sounds
Arjun,
good. Yeah. Let me share my screen. Okay. 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 So yeah, let me create a project and then I will open that terminal. So we are giving the
oh, he's
name
going
project.
fancy. He's going to terminal and stuff. Doesn't know
Yeah.
how to right click and create a folder. What if I'm not a coder? Just say right click and create a folder. Don't do this.
Right.
Don't make it too
Yeah.
difficult for our audience here.
Okay, no problem.
Let's do it like
So
anybody can do it, something like that.
Yeah, let me open Visual Studio Code.
I had a coworker. He used to say that opening opening terminal made him feel like more manly. So
Yeah, it looks
let
cool, right? Yeah.
it looked like, oh my God, this guy knows too much. But end of the day, what he's doing is he's just create right clicking and creating a folder. But let's see. So he's going through, what is this tool? This Visual Studio Code?
This is Visual Studio Code, and then I'm just
Okay.
creating a folder, and the folder name is going to be
Meal
meal
planner. Okay.
planner, right? Let me meal planner create and open it. Okay. So, right. Once this is done, so let me see. So, okay. So as you see, right, like I have already installed the plugin, but let me show you the same way. It's pretty much the same. You can go to the extension and download this thing or codecs, whatever you like. They will show up here. Let me see the okay. It will show up here, and then just
Yeah,
if you're logged
so
in.
just for instance, I did not do this. What I did was I installed Bob
Mhm.
from the website
Okay.
because it's accessible directly from the website, not from a plug, not as a plugin right now.
Okay, okay, makes
Mhm.
sense. Yeah, but I think I'm not sure is Bob extension available?
No, no, I don't think it's available yet. It's don't look at it. It's not available.
Okay, okay, sounds good. So yeah, so once you're done with that, right? Like let me copy the uh where did it go?
The prompt.
Yeah, I think I have it. I have it. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, so you need to log in, you need to subscribe to this product, and I think the free version should do for this thing. Let me paste this thing up.
Okay. What is it saying? Did it say baking?
Yeah, transmuting like so I think the Bob really had cool feature where you can disable it through the console itself, but here if you want to do that you need to touch the settings and give permissions, dangerous like there is a setting called dangerously allowed, right?
Oh,
So it
dangerously
pretty
allowed.
much,
Okay.
yeah, so it can do but that's a cool feature. I really liked what he was doing, right? Like you can
Mhm.
disable everything and pretty much let it run, but it's going to keep on asking me for the permissions to execute or anything like that. So that's what it's doing right now.
While
Yeah,
you're
so
doing
let's.
this, if you guys ever have any ideas on what you
Mhm.
want us to code, or even if you want us to review your code or look at your stuff, let us know at Calories to Code. We help everybody to build their applications,
Yeah,
make sure we guide you in the right path. So if you ever have
yeah,
any questions, add them in the comments and we'll pick up depending on what we like. Of course, we are picky.
yeah.
We'll pick if your code looks delicious, we'll pick it up. If it doesn't look delicious, we'll probably trash it.
Yeah, yeah, we can pretty much, do your architecture review and all those things and suggest, to the best of our ability, like if, how you can save some money on the deployment or, any improvement needed and all those kind of things. We can do that for you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Does it always say baking or is it because of the meal
No, no,
planner?
it uses a lot of, fun words.
But does it say baking all the time or I see it says baking, simmering? Is it because of meal planner website we mentioned?
Uh,
That's why, or
I don't think so.
oh, it does that no matter what. Okay.
Doing, yeah.
So look at the stewing. So it feels like it's more customized right now. But
Yeah,
anyway,
maybe, but yeah, that's a good catch. Maybe like because based on the project that you are building, it's using those words, right? Yeah.
yeah, let's look at the prompt. Okay, so prompt says
Hmm.
build a complete static website called Meal Planner using, okay, you are making it bigger. Let's hide the sides. Let's get some more space while it's cooking this thing. Only HTML,
Hmm.
JavaScript. The website should be fully front end and run by opening index.html in browser. Project. We kept it simple for the first one,
Right.
just to show you the capabilities of how easy it is to do things. We don't want to use any backend or anything, but just keep it simple. And we can always add more things as and when we go. Project
Hmm.
requirement, create a polished home section. So it will create a home website, then a meal planner section. Then it creates different categories. As you can see, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Of course, without
Hmm.
all four of them, especially snack. I think we need to add snacks more, right? Multi
Right.
Based on my and Arjun's, we like to eat snacks between breakfast and lunch, and after lunch, before dinner, after
Yeah.
dinner, And after a snack, we like to snack, and before snack also we like to snack.
Yeah.
But anyway, each meal suggestion should show meal name, estimated calories, short description. Just to make fun, since we are
Hmm.
calories to code, we also
Right.
added that there. Grocery list section. Of course, how can you create a meal prep without
Without
going to
groceries,
grocery
right?
stores?
Hmm.
So you can either order them or you can list them here. And then it has add button to insert grocery item, bunch of different options we have provided. Nutrition summary section, it will tell you about nutrition if you're more of a health conscious. We like to burn our calories using code, doing some code work, but look at it. Data
Yeah.
persistent, where to save them. Design requirements, use a clean, bright, modern design. So we have given exactly same requirements both for Claude Code and IBM Bob. And what is it saying on the right side now?
It's just asking for permission. It needs to
Okay,
run
so you
some
don't have
script.
like one single place where you can give
Yeah.
permissions.
That's why I like that.
Mhm.
It can get irritating sometimes,
So they
but
charge you more money plus they ask you to click more
permissions.
buttons. Oh my God.
I think
So let me give you
Claude
the
is ready.
let me give you the how expensive it is. Actually, both of them are very cheap. I'm
Hmm.
just saying expensive because Claude Code charges I think $3 for Sonnet and for input tokens for million in tokens
Hmm.
and output $15 for million tokens. That's how much Claude Code charges. Whereas Bob is $1.7 no matter input or output. The reason
Hmm.
is because I think Claude Code, which model are you using here? Arjun, how can you see
I
that?
think the extension doesn't give you that ability to, I think okay. Let me ask,
Oh, it's done with its work?
Yeah, yeah, it's done.
Oh, okay. Let me see if
Which
mine is
model
done.
are we using right now? Let me ask. It's using Claude Opus 4.8. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And so the way it works with, so you're using a very expensive model. Cloud
Mm-hmm.
Opus 4.8 is very expensive. But just as I said, I think what is the let me check. Claude Code pricing. I think for Opus 4.8, right?
Mm-hmm.
So whatever he's building, he is paying for Pro plan, right? $20 per month. But the
I,
where is
I I think for this month I'm on like $200 plan,
oh,
I
your
guess.
$200 plan?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to find that pricing
I
page.
will I'm going to I don't need this much, but
It's
when
only
I'm working on a very heavy project, at that time I might need it, but right now I don't. So I will just reduce it.
what's new in 4.8 price? $10 input and $50 output per million tokens. That's how much you're spending as per the website. But for Bob, I'm spending $1.7 for million token input and output.
So
So
ideally mine my website should be much, much better than yours, right? Let's see.
yeah, yours should be much better. It should have like images. It should probably give food out from this from the application.
Yeah.
Maybe also have like free ordering. So you want to
I think
which one?
let's see yours first. Let's see
Okay,
yours first,
since mine
right?
is cheaper,
Yeah.
uh, let's stop sharing. My God.
Yeah. Let me stop share and then let's see Bob's
Ready?
Meal Planner website. Yes.
Okay, there you go. My website is
Oh,
ready. So what it
nice.
did was at the end of it, after it completed everything. Okay, I think I'll close this one. After it completed everything, if you see all the code is here, and
Uh-huh.
it asked me to one second. Let me it ask keep the current version. Don't update yet. I think I have a little older version. There's a new updated version.
Mm-hmm.
It just asked me to run open index.html and I was able to run and it opened my browser wherever it is. Here it is. And that's the website.
Wow,
Okay,
looks
meal
good,
planner
right?
has some nice icons or emojis. Weekly
Mm-hmm.
planning, calorie tracking, grocery list has a nice like let's say what is it? Eggs. What is this? Is this oh how much this is a calorie counter like how many It's
I can.
kind of a weekly meal planner, so I
This
can
could be a new enhancement, right? Where based on the
based on
food item,
item.
we can extract the calories, right?
The problem is
Automatically.
like you need some
Mhm.
type of backend for that. I mean, I guess
Yeah.
you can still have like, but how many things will you cover? Maybe you need
Yeah.
AI for that to kind
Right.
of use AI over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. If anybody planning to use this prompt, right? Like it is really looking good, huh? I
Use
must
for
say.
breakfast. Okay, so if you see here, let me cancel it. Let me go back from top. Okay, let's press every single button. Home,
First, let's add a
planner,
grocery list, right? Yeah. Okay.
suggestion, grocery list, nutrition. Okay,
Mhm.
everything is okay. I think I added that eggs with 3 calories, so it automatically updated that
Do
too.
you want to test it out, adding one grocery list item and see if it is actually working?
Let me add some stuff here, right? Eggs is what I had for.
Mm-hmm.
I say steak is what I had for. I don't think it's 3 calories. Let's say 100. I have no
Mm-hmm.
idea. I never count my calories. Dinner, chicken.
Oh man,
What
all
else?
non-vegetarian. Yeah, you
Already
should.
hungry? Snack?
No.
I'll say desi chai. It's Indian tea.
Desi
Uh,
chai, yeah,
How much
with
is
lot of
desi chai?
sugar.
Probably four. Of course, you need to add sugar. Sugar is by default. I can add
Yes.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I can see like weekly summary 900 here. So it automatically
Uh-huh.
calculates that, puts it there. Okay, I just scroll too much. Breakfast, I can just say use for breakfast. It will say which day? Tuesday. Use for breakfast on Wednesday. Use for avocado toast Thursday.
I really like it, man.
I
Avocado
feel
toast.
like, by the end of it, I will feel like more hungry.
Yeah.
And I just had dinner.
I'm not sure how much calorie we are going to burn, but definitely we'll eat more
We'll
than what
load
we.
more. Use for lunch Monday.
Yeah.
Use for lunch Tuesday.
But suggestions are really good, man. Like these are all healthy suggestions.
Chicken pasta. Shrimp tacos. I'm just gonna do random. Okay,
Man, I'm going to use this, huh? I'm telling you, I will use this to
sure,
plan my
why not?
meals for next
Let's say
week.
eggs. That's all I can think of. Produce protein, right? Add item.
Yeah, you
What
need to
else?
buy chicken because you are going to eat chicken, quinoa, all those things you need to add, right? Yeah, it's
My
working.
God, I don't think is it produce. What does it come under? Dairy, snacks, grains,
Chicken
protein.
protein, okay.
What is it? Let's say beans. Okay, I'm not gonna go too much. Dairy I added anyway. Oh, it
Mm-hmm.
creates like sections based on what I select, like snacks. I'll say chips. Okay, that I
Lightly
did. So
salted.
it created that list here. Again, one more thing is checking is it mobile friendly, right?
Oh yeah,
Looks
that.
like the top thing is messed up if you see
Mm.
but it kind of puts everything in one line.
You know, right? You can inspect and then you can change it to mobile view and all those things.
Yeah.
Go to,
Oh, yeah, that's true. So instead
yeah.
of doing this,
Mm-hmm.
right click, inspect, and I'm going to say here mobile. Oh, it
Mm-hmm.
added them like this. Okay, I am not that happy with this,
Mm-hmm.
but other than that, yeah, let me just close this. Let's see. Okay, total calories this oh my God. When you add the entire weekly summary, it looks really big. Meal
Mm-hmm.
suggestions. Okay, suggestions we added. Grocery list we added. Okay, finally nutrition summary. It shows a summary. I don't like the idea that, even though they are different numbers, the distribution is not calculated
Yeah,
properly. You see the
it's
graphs are
yeah,
not
yeah.
there, but that's good. Still better. Clear all data finally, and it clears all the data. Awesome.
Looks
Not
good.
bad for
Yeah.
like 5 minutes and building this, and we can see that a lot of improvements are needed. So I am going to stop sharing now. Now let's look at the
Okay.
$1 million website.
Let me do
How
that.
does the $1 million
Okay.
Claude website look like?
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Did you run it already, or
No, 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 I not.
it
Oh,
didn't give you an option to open it directly? No? Oh my God.
oh, where?
Just say reveal in Finder and double
Yeah,
click.
and then I can open it from there. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, oh, you guys
Oh,
ready? You guys ready? It's
I can
already.
see like the preview. It looks really ugly. Oh, okay, not bad. The CSS styles came afterwards. Oh, I like the
Oh, wow,
floating.
some animation is happening.
Our food is floating just the way we like it.
Okay, let's go through it, right?
Okay.
So start planning, browse meals. Wow, man, looks good. All
Pretty awesome.
breakfast, lunch, dinner. I think quinoa salad was on your grilled chicken
Yeah, I
both
think a
places.
bunch of them are like same because again, Bob uses some of
Mm-hmm.
the Claude models too. So
Mm-hmm. Snacks, grocery list, right? Let me add. Okay, eggs. Oh, it's the same thing.
same list. Yeah. So I think it used the same
Yeah.
model. I think yours is more mobile friendly though. I already feel based on how it's adding like cards.
Yeah.
Let's
And
check it
how
out.
can I? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, this is also the same, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah, Monday,
mostly
Tuesday. They
same.
look all like pretty much similar.
Yeah, just the
Just
styling is different, right?
just like your looks a little bit more prettier with the icons and stuff. But you
Yeah.
spent probably like almost 40 times
Five
more
times
than
than
me.
what you, right?
40
Yours.
times more than. Mine is $1.7. Yours is 10 and $50. Output is more.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Rice,
Kilocalories.
500 calories, snack,
What
snack,
does
snack.
kcal mean? Is it kilocalories or like
Yes,
so
kilocalories,
do you say
chips,
0.5 or something?
150. Yes, let's
Okay.
do that.
It doesn't
Yeah,
add the entire weekly.
yeah, let me use for lunch, use for dinner,
Oh, you have to
snack.
like press one additional button. In mine, I just. But again, if the list gets
Yeah.
longer, I think your interface is.
Oh, you see?
Oh, good stuff. Let's add some more stuff for Tuesday, Wednesday too. Go up, go
Okay.
auto select one below.
Okay.
Don't add like for snack. Any one two is fine. Not for. Okay, it doesn't ask you which day.
Yeah.
Oh, are
Oh,
you on the right
it's
side?
already,
Okay.
it's here. It's here.
Yeah,
It's here.
do that. Okay. Now do that. Click on two, three things. Okay, let's go down. Okay, let's add one more thing for Wednesday, maybe just for
Mm-hmm.
fun of it.
Mm-hmm. But it's
Just one
looking
item.
good.
I just want to make sure that his
Yeah.
is not as cool as mine.
Uh,
Good.
oh
Oh my
yeah.
God, it worked pretty.
I think. Oh wow. See the clear all data button is still
Hmm.
there. It's the same. Let me see if it is mobile friendly, right? Let's see.
Yeah,
Okay.
you get what you pay for.
Oh, why it's? Oh, I
Okay,
think it's. Oh
yeah,
yeah.
did already.
Yeah. See.
Oh yeah, look at that. The Go all the way to the
Wow.
top again. What was that small tomato doing there? Your
Your
apple, your
personal.
personal
Yeah.
nutrition companion. Very pretty nice. So you
Yeah,
can
man.
hold it up
That's
on your
actually.
mobile phone and go
I
through.
think
This
I'm
is
going
pretty
to
good.
win. Let's see what comment says, but like I think I'm going to win.
Yeah, vote for us.
Oh.
If you like Bob, say Bob in the comment. If you like Claude, say Claude in the comment. Let us know how we did. And again, if
And
you
if you
have
need this
any
code, we'll
suggestions,
just add, right? We can add the link to this meal planner if anyone wants it, right?
I mean, we added the entire code here. We can give prompt if you're interested. Let us know
Yeah,
because
yeah.
there's nothing
Yeah.
special we did here. Only if you're
Mm-hmm.
interested, let us know, and we
Mm-hmm.
can do things for you. But again, let us know if you guys are looking to build something or want have our help to guide you in the right direction, what to use, what not to use, or if you want us to play with different tools, let us know. We can look at
Mm-hmm.
different tools and show you how they work. We'll spend the money so you don't have to, just like how we
Correct.
did here.
Mhm.
And then we can show you the features of this. Now, if you saw, both the tools are pretty awesome. It's up to you, your requirements, what you would like, or how you want it done. Uh, as you saw, like Cloud Code lets you change your models and stuff. IBM Bob doesn't let you do it. The reason being, it has a layer in between, which is a model itself, which decides automatically for you which model to pick. So that way, if you're building something simple like this, why do you want to use Opus 4.8? Of course, it makes it look pretty cool, but you don't need to spend so much money. You can use maybe Haiku and do still a better job. So that's what Bob does for you. But end of the day, the choice is yours. Let us know which one you like better and what would you use. And if you want any help or any questions, get back to us and we can help you in calories to code to turn your calories into our code. Anything else, Arjun?
I think that's it. Signing off, I guess.
Yep. Thank you,
Bye.
everyone. And
Thank
we'll
you.
see you in our next episode. Bye.
Bye.